Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add breakpoints in Elementor. Breakpoints are very important when you are designing a website because they help your layout adjust properly on different screen sizes like desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. If you want your website to look clean and professional on every device, understanding how breakpoints work is something you definitely need to know. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps you need to follow to activate and use breakpoints in Elementor. We'll go to the Elementor settings, enable the additional custom breakpoints feature, and then see how you can adjust your design for different screen sizes. Don't worry if you're new to Elementor, because I'll keep everything simple and easy to follow so you can do it yourself. So let's get started and learn how to add breakpoints in Elementor. First thing we want to do is open our WordPress dashboard. After that, go to the left side of the screen and hover over the Elementor menu, and again hover over Editor and click Settings. Then a new screen appears where we go to the tab that says Features, then scroll down and find Additional Custom Breakpoints, which we are going to activate by clicking Activate. It takes a second to apply. Then scroll down and click Save Changes. After that, go to the left side of the screen and click the menu that says Pages. Then a new screen appears where we go down to Elementor and click Edit with Elementor. Then a new screen appears again, and we will go to the top left side of the screen and click Site Settings next to the plus sign icon. Then we will scroll down and click the Layout menu, then a new option appears where we scroll down and click Breakpoints. Then, right there, we can add breakpoints, adjust our mobile portrait, and tablet portraits. Then, after finishing up, remember to click Save Changes. To sum up, this tutorial showed how to add breakpoints in Elementor. As you saw in this video, adding breakpoints is actually very simple once you know where to find the settings. We activated the additional custom breakpoints feature and then looked at how Elementor allows us to design for different screen sizes such as desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Using breakpoints is very useful because it helps make sure your website looks good on every device. This is an important part of responsive web design, and once you get comfortable with it, you can start customizing your layouts even more to improve the user experience for visitors. So, that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.